Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered why your skin loses its youthful plumpness and how OTESALY Facefill can actually help restore it? Let's break down the science in just 3 minutes. First, why does skin lose volume? Plumpness depends on 2 key elements in your dermis. One is collagen, the structural scaffolding of your skin, and the other is hyaluronic acid, a natural hydrator that acts like a sponge, holding up to 100 times its weight in water. From your mid-20s, factors like aging and UV exposure cause both to break down. The scaffolding weakens, the sponge dries up, and your skin starts to sag and deflate. That's where OTESALY Facefill comes in. We have 1 ml and 2 ml. It's perfect for loose-lipped, non-soluble folds, hyaluronate nice, chin and cheek augmentation. So, how does Facefill work? Step 1. Superhydration. OTESALY Facefill is made of cross-linked hyaluronic acid. Once injected, it acts like a long-lasting hydration sponge deep within your skin, binding to water to plump up fine lines and rehydrate tissue from within. Step 2. Structural support. Thanks to its cross-linked structure, the OTESALY Facefill forms a soft network that resists breakdown. This network acts like an internal scaffold, lifting and supporting sagging areas such as cheeks, restoring contour and volume where it's needed most. So in short, OTESALY Facefill works by delivering both deep hydration and structural support to bring back your skin's natural plumpness.